What's going on, guys? So in today's video, I just bought my first microphone, the Zoom H1N, and I also got a lavalier mic with it, a Sony ECM CS3. And I'm just going to be unboxing them and testing them with guitar, my voice. I'm going to be testing it outside too, and we're just going to see how it goes. I'm going to be wearing this thing for the other angle. I know it looks ridiculous, but gotta get the angle somehow. So I also bought a dead cat, like a windscreen, for the mic, but it's coming tomorrow, and that's when I'll test it outside. Here's the instructions. This is the microphone. It's in here. It's actually a lot smaller than I expected. Here we go. That's the Zoom H1N. Very first impressions, it's a lot smaller than I expected, which is actually a good thing because it can like fit in your pocket. And batteries, it uses AAA batteries, just so you know. And I'm just gonna put them in the back here. And now it's turned on. It is now turned on. The on button is just right on the side here. And yeah. Okay, so now we've switched locations, and I'm just so surprised on how small this thing is. Like, look at this. Smaller than my hand right here. You can easily fit it in your pocket. It takes like a few seconds to turn on. Not that long though. This is the gain knob right here, and this is like the where it shows you your level. And the tutorial I watched, it said you want like the gain roughly between -18 to -12 decibels. But it's really weird because I can like hear myself. I don't. So this is the Sony right now, the lapel mic I'm wearing. You see, you just plug it right here on the side, and let's see what it sounds like when I take this off. This is without the lapel mic. This is just a Zoom H1N by itself. Oh, okay, so we're still recording, and hopefully this sounds okay, but it's like this far away from me. Now this is just the camera mic, the DSLR. I'm also using, just so you know, the Nikon D5600. That's the camera I'm using, and this is what that quality sounds like. So I think we're gonna go into the guitar recording right now, but I gotta switch the settings on this. Okay, so since I have like a mic, I need to actually sync the video and the audio in post. But if you want to get a mic and you don't want to have to sync it in post, what you can do is get a 3.5mm patch cable and attach the mic to the camera, and it'll already be in sync for you, and you won't have to do that in post. Okay, what I also didn't see before, it has a little thread right here, and which you can connect to like a tripod. Okay guys, so I went outside to film the windscreen test, but there was absolutely no wind, so I just turned on this fan and we're just gonna pretend that I'm on the top of a mountain or on a helicopter or something like that. That's what this green screen is for. So now we're gonna test it out without the windscreen. This is without the windscreen. I don't know how it sounds. I guess I'll find out. But now we're gonna try it out with just the internal mic. So this is the camera's internal mic. I put the camera in front of the fan so it's a fair test, and this is how it sounds. Okay, so final thoughts on the Zoom H1N. I definitely recommend it. Like, it made my audio sound so much better than it was just with the internal mic. And just so you know, this audio right here is coming from the lapel mic. And if you're planning to use this microphone like outside, I would definitely get a windscreen because the audio would be pretty much useless if you just, all you hear is like wind noises. So definitely get one of these if you're gonna use it outside. And this is super simple to use. Like, you just watch one tutorial on YouTube how to use it and you'll already know the basics and you'll be able to use it.
Hold up.
I gotta change that light bulb. The Zoom H1N comes in at $110 US, and all the links for all of these products will be in the description, but just so you know, they're Amazon affiliate links. So it means if you buy the products from those links, they won't cost any extra, but I get a small commission. So it just helps support the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got new videos coming in soon, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.